Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you how to perform MRI of brain. So now let's go started. First of all, you can see here there are three images. Both are localizer images. This is sagittal image and look here, and another is coronal and another is axial. So now I will do the plan. T1 TSC dark fluid sagittal. So sagittal plan will be on the coronal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology, and look at the protocol and look at the parameters. Okay, each and everything is now fine, and now apply. Okay, now the next plan T2 TSC transverse. So transverse means axial. So axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology and selected the coil. Yeah, look here. Okay, and showing here the photo parameters. Now FOV and TRT, slice thickness and slice. Yes, and everything is fine. Now the apply. Now next plan T2 TSC coronal. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Look here, this is sagittal image, and look here. Yeah, there. Okay. Okay, is and everything now fine? Okay. And look at the coronal images. This is coronal image. Okay, now everything is fine, and finally they apply. Okay, now finally showing here the image. This is T1 sagittal image and another is T2 coronal. This is T2 axial, and this another is T2 FLAIR. Look here. Yeah, and this is T1 axial. This is HWI, and this is the master of brain protocol DWI. Here ADC and hemo. Look here. Okay, now our MRI is done complete. Thank you so much everyone.